welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So today, y'all, we are finally gonna get the rims done. So right now, obviously I'm in Clifford, the Big Red Dodge. That's what I call it. My fiance is in Penny, the Pontiac, my GA. We heading there. First, I gotta go put her gas because I left the car on E, and my truck was actually sitting on a full tank. I didn't even know that. So first, y'all, I got my non-toxic shirt on. We don't have this one on the site yet, but for anybody that has bought a shirt and has bought a tumbler, a custom tumbler, or anything from my website, I really appreciate y'all for doing that. We're gonna be dropping a different, I don't know, should we put this shirt, this color, or this colorway, I guess you would say, on the website? Fiance in the GA right now. GA looking good going down the road too. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like having somebody else kind of drive your car, I don't know, try it every now and then. Like I kind of like her driving the car and me driving the Durango sometimes, because I get to see what other people see when I'm going down the road, and I get to see how, you know, how good the car looks with the wrap and how I got it lowered and stuff like that. So it makes me kind of appreciate the car a little bit more. And I for sure know it's standing out. So today we also are gonna be, y'all gonna see, we switching the wheels. Somebody's letting me borrow their wheels, so y'all gonna see the wheels that I'm gonna put on there until I get these wheels finished. And then we're gonna be shooting a video. That's gonna be a whole separate video with prepping the wheels and all that stuff for them to go ahead and powder coat it and all that. So I think that's gonna be a pretty cool video, so stay tuned for that, y'all. So I'll see y'all once I gotta take the wheels off, and then I gotta go pick up the other ones and put the other ones on. And then once I put the other ones on, y'all let me know what y'all think about these other ones I'm gonna have on the car just for like a day or so. Alright, y'all, so this was supposed to be a quick job. I was supposed to take the tires off, go get the actual tire, take it off the rim, all that, and they'll be working on the rims right now. Well, I'm trying to take it off, and now I'm having problems with, apparently all the tire shops in San Antonio suck ass. They all shitty. All the tire shops I've been to, even the discount tire is shitty. Now, I'm not gonna blame it all on the tire shops that I went to, but it's partially my fault from not like checking behind them and stuff. So now I'm learning my lessons. I need to start checking behind them. So apparently the lug nuts that's on my car, I don't know if they're the wrong ones or what. So I had no issue whatsoever undoing the other ones. When I got to the driver's side, which is also the side that I have recently had to go get a new tire for, when I got to that side, the lug nut tool, it didn't fit on the lug nuts at all, which I was like, okay, well, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I done took tires off 100 times, but I was like, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Okay, boom, level it back down, this, and did what I had to do, whatever. So I went to go ahead and try again. Still nothing. So I was like, all right, let me get a bigger socket or something. So I go get a bigger socket and it fit on there, one that's way bigger than the others. So I'm like, what the, like that don't even make sense. And then I'm looking, and one of them is stripped, and I never really paid attention to it since I got the tire on there. So that's my fault. I ain't even gonna lie, that's my fault for not paying attention. But one of the lug nuts was damn near stripped. So now I'm trying to fight with the damn lug nut to try to get the damn lug nut off. None of these at all. This doesn't fit. But you come to the back here, fits perfectly fine. Goes on them perfectly fine. So all of these are already loose and stuff, but just to show that I'm not, maybe I thought maybe I was tripping, I was doing something wrong, but it goes on these perfectly fine. This one, not so much. And this is what does it say, 316 to 20, 7/8, 22 millimeter. So I'm gonna get this is a 22 right here. I'm gonna get a 24, and I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so a 24 fits on this almost perfectly, really a 23. whatever is equivalent to the 23. And so I don't know what the hell. See, this does not fit, but my other ones do. So I don't know if the tire shop put the wrong lug nuts back on here all day, and then one was stripped. So this is the strip one, I got it off. So y'all see, my truck is loaded, bruh. I didn't even think I could fit 4 tires and the rims up in here with all my detailing equipment. So this truck, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of love this truck on the slick. I love it. I got all these, I can see I got all the rim in the front, I got all kind of stuff. I got all my stuff up in here.
The next day.
Dang, look at that thing shine, y'all. Damn. Hi y'all, so this is, I got the GXP wheels on from Rando. Shout out to him for letting me borrow his wheels until mine's are finished. And they honestly, the GXP wheels, besides the chrome, they don't look bad on the car. It looks pretty good. They're size 19. So hi y'all, so I'm here with the guys from Supreme Powder Coated, and they gonna kind of go over like the whole process of powder coated the rims. Y'all see we got the last one right here. They're gonna go through the whole process. Damn. God damn. Damn. That shit looks crazy.
Damn, it's honestly exactly like mine, but they're just like more flaky. Yeah. I guess that's why they're super and mine were misty. Mine were misted with flake. Yours are fucking.
That shit do look. That's the thing that I like about the powder coated though. When you spray it and you like, but then keep like $12.
Oh, that's why you do. That's what I'm saying. I was gonna put it over real quick. You just move it all the way that way. Alright, close your eyes real quick.
That
I'll get it fine now.
what you call it on it?
Oh my god, them hoods are okay.
No, there you go.
You can turn on just for a little bit. Close that so when we out that so it's pretty hot. What you think, dog?
Hey, them bitches look good, bruh. You say you could do the center caps black too, huh?
Yeah. Oh, were you talking about the center caps or lugs?
The center caps. I'm just gonna buy some black lugs.
Yeah.
I had to buy. I got.
Whenever you
Yeah.
Hey, whenever you put the
So like inside the.
rims are gonna look ugly. You feel?
What?
That's what I thought. Like whenever I put the tires on the rims, I was like, nah, hell no, those look like shit. And then I put them on my car and I was like, oh no, I look way better. What's up, guys? This is Juan from Spring Coating. I just wanted to let y'all know how things go down around here. Right now we have a set of rims, some 17s, a set of some 20s, Subaru manifold, and some other Subaru part that I'm really not too sure about. what we want to do is kind of tell you about like how the process goes, how to bring parts to us, whether or not you're going to drop them off, you're going to ship them, or how that's going to go. If you want, the best way to reach us is through our phone number, and you can find that on Google. Just search us up on Supreme Coating. That, or you can find us on Instagram and Facebook, both Supreme P Coating, and you'll find us. Just feel free to shoot us a message. But like I said, the best way to get into contact with us is just to search us up on Google and then just follow the instructions right there. Click call us, and then it'll send us right to you. It'll send y'all right to us. But right here, this is a 2-stage process. This is a 1-stage process, and then this is another 1-stage process. What we do here is tape off everything that is going to get flushed off to any other surface. Same with the rims. We do everything the right way. Turnaround times right now are about for a week to a week and a half. Sometimes they can get a little bit more than that. Sometimes they can get a little less, just depending on how busy shit goes. The one thing to keep in mind is summertime does get crazy because everybody just wants to shine in the summertime. So if you can, bring your parts in a little bit before then, but we're taking parts all year round. Just give us a call and we'll get with y'all.